Let me share with you, my brothers and sisters in Islam, 3 practical things that you and I can do during the day and during the night that bi-idhnillahi ta'ala will always prepare us for death no matter when we die. The first of them is the hadith of Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam that was narrated by Abu Umam al-Bahili radiyallahu anhu. And the hadith is authentic, authenticated by Al-Imam Ibn Hibban rahimahullah and others, in which Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, من قرأ آية الكرسي دبر كل صلاة مكتوبة لم يمنعه من دخول الجنة إلا الموت. That whoever reads آية الكرسي الله لا إله إلا هو الحي القيوم, whoever reads this ayah after every obligatory prayer, then nothing prevents him from entering the paradise other than death. Yani, in other words, the only thing that is preventing you from entering the paradise is the fact that you're still alive. The moment you die, you enter the paradise. Allahu Akbar. 5 opportunities every single day to renew your guaranteed position bi-idhnillah in the paradise. The second method and the second way, and Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam, he says that whoever recites Sayyid al-Istighfar, which is Allāhumma Anta Rabbī, lā ilāha illā khalaqtanī wa ʿabduk wa ʿalā ḥahdika wa waʿdika mā'staṭaṭ aʿūdhu bika min sharri mā ṣanaʿt abū'u laka bi niʿmatika ʿalayya wa abū'u bi-dhambī fa-ghfir lī fa-innahū lā yaghfiru-dh-dhunūba illā. Whoever says this dhikr once in the morning and once in the afternoon, and Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam, he says, anyone who says it in the morning and he is certain about its meaning and he dies before the afternoon, he enters the paradise. Ready. A person is ready for death if he says this in the morning. And whoever says it in the afternoon and he's certain in the meanings of this dhikr, then if he was to die before the morning, he enters the paradise. Allahu Akbar. 24/7, he is ready for death. Such a person that recites this dhikr. And a third preparation for death, and this is the final one I share with you. And Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam, he says, as in the hadith of al-Barā ibn Āzib radiyallahu anhu, al-hadith al-Sahih, found in Sahih al-Bukhari, and Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam, he says, whoever says before they sleep, Allāhumma aslamtu nafsi ilayk, wa wajjahtu wajhi ilayk, wa fawwadtu amri ilayk, wa alja'tu dhahri ilayk, raghbatan wa rahbatan ilayk, la malja'a wa la manja minka illa ilayk, آمنت بكتابك الذي أنزلت وبنبيك الذي أرسلت. Whoever says this dhikr just before he sleeps, making the dhikr of Allah the last mention on his tongue before he sleeps, and he dies during his sleep, مات على الفطرة, he dies upon al-fitrah, he dies upon purity, he dies upon iman, upon Islam, bi-idhnillah. That's like a way, that's a method in how you always remain prepared to enter the paradise and prepared for death.